How to use AI to write website copy. When I'm talking about copy, I just mean text. I use copy because copy is basically like, copywriting. Copy is basically like when people write text to sell to people. It's like salesmen, they talk to clients and they convince clients to buy your thing via their voice. However, copywriting is basically like a salesman, but in the written form, and they try to convince you to buy your stuff through the written form. So that's basically what I mean by copy. But this is just basically for text, basically text on the website. Let's make me bigger because I'm too beautiful to be this small. But I'm talking about text, like basically in the website. So how do I do this? This might disappoint you guys, but I'm not some genius writer. I'm not. This is not a video about telling you how to write, and it's like then you have to stay in a silent room, do a cold plunge, and then meditate for 3 minutes, and then the best ideas will come in your mind. Eat carnivore the entire day. Your mind will be so clear. You just meditate there, and all the ideas for the best copy will come to your mind, and then the ideas you can put into your website. And so many people buy. This, my friends, is how you write the best copy on planet Earth. If you have GPT-4, I bet it's even better. It looks a lot better. I've talked to people who have GPT-4 and they say it's amazing. But it's definitely the first thing I'm gonna buy once I can afford it. But I'm kind of broke for now, so let's like this alone is amazing. But people know this, like ChatGPT. Even GPT 3.5, the potential is endless. The only thing constraining you is your prompt. So like if you're just gonna say like write some copy convincing me to buy your what's car? Sure. I don't have no creativity at all. Write some copy convincing me to buy your car. Introducing the future Drive 5000. So instantly you see this is a copy, and like a normal human who has no idea about copywriting can probably do like better things. Like I by coincidence know like some copywriting basics. I'll probably explain it in a future video, but the basics of copywriting is you have to know your target audience, their pains and their desires, their dream outcomes, and what they fear the most, and then you use those pains and desires to target the copy to make them to trigger them the most. And it's basically like I heard this quote from a copywriter that it just stuck with me. I'm paraphrasing here, but it's basically like selling is the transfer of money over a bridge of trust, and copywriting is building that bridge. So copywriting is very important, but like sure, step into a world of opulence with the Future Drive 5000 meticulously crafted interior, premium materials, ergonomic. Look at that. Nobody's gonna buy that. Like even a person who does not know at all how to sell can sell a car better than this in the written form. But it's all about the prompt. So like my target audience is people with very little money living in an urban area trying to impress their community. Obviously, you see I have the best typography there. And their pain is being shamed for not having a car or having a crap one, and people seeing that they're broke. Write the copy in short sentences with bursty energy. I experimented with that. I actually kind of like that prompt quite a lot, so you can experiment with that. So let's just send that. Let's see what it does. Elevate your street cred with the urban. Look, okay. These cringe names are never gonna work in a copywriting sense, but let's just roll with it. Ditch the shame, roll in style, Urban Jet 3000, your ticket to respect in the city streaks. Whoa, they sound like a song. I'm gonna play a beat, like editor, put a beat. Obviously, I'm the editor, but like future me, play a beat on this. Budget-friendly swagger, drive smooth, stunt harder. Don't break the bank, break the stereotypes. Urban living, urban jet, navigate the concrete jungle in the slickest ride. No compromise on style. No more bus shaming or walk of shame. Step up, pull up, show up in your urban jet 3000. Street smart wheels, Street smart wheels, street smart deals, affordable, reliable, and dripping in urban flair. Rise above the whispers, crush the haters, urban jet 3000, cause your ride should speak volumes. Power moves on a budget, soon past judgments. Leave them daters in the dust, limited stock, unlimited style. Don't wait, upgrade your status with the urban jet 3000 now. Kapow! Bro, look at that. It's still garbage, but the reason it's garbage is just because look at all. It's like we can easily fix this. Like remove emojis and make it sound genuine in eighth grade language, vocab, and sound more human. Like just a basic prompt like that will help it a lot. Tired of feeling awkward without a ride? Enter urban. No more bus stairs or walk. This is actually amazing copy. Look at that. Urban living meets urban jet. It's all about staying cool without breaking the bank. Affordable, reliable, and decked out with city vibes. The car is your path to instant respect. Say goodbye to whispers and haters. Upgrade your ride. Leave the doubters behind and show them what you've got. Limited stock, unlimited style. Don't wait. It's calling your name, ready to roll. Like if you were to see an ad with this text, it would not be weird. We already got some amazing copy with just playing around and a very joke. Like how many prompts was that? 1, 2, 3, and just 3 stupid prompts. And this is not even like me like doing my best to show you good prompts. We just got that amazing copy. But let me show you an amazing tool. It's called AI PRM. And just extension. Just Google AI PRM extension. You'll find it here. Click on the Google extension. And I already have it already. But add it from Chrome. And I have it enabled, but like let me enable it now. And it's not like new chat. You'll see. Look at that. It obviously like it changes the look of ChatGPT a lot. But look at this. This is actually I use this for like writing SEO for my websites, but this is very useful for when you want to like let's see if I can find a copywriting one here. High converting Facebook ad copy, sure. Wait, what does it say here? Provide the target audience, campaign goals. Target audience. God damn it, wait. Let me look for that old prompt, because I ain't writing all this crap again. Okay. Okay. So basically paste that. Being they're broke. Product is a car. Okay. Now let's take a look. I obviously should have provided more info, but I'm trying to make this video quick so that you can instantly see. Living on a tight budget in the city, tired of the judgment for not having a car or driving a clunker? We've got your back. Introducing our sleek and budget-friendly cars, your ticket to turning heads without breaking the bank. Why choose us? Say goodbye to the shame of a rusty ride. Our affordable cars redefine style without compromising your savings. Cruise through the urban jungle in a car that screams success, leaving the stigma of being broke in the dust. Benefits, affordable, elegance, fuel efficiency, low maintenance, instant street cred. Ready to level up your image? Click shop now to explore a range and drive your way to a more impressive, confident you, affordable, stylish yours. Like these, like actually like this stands out to me right now. I hadn't really thought of this before, but the call to actions are actually pretty good. I like how they end. Like they're unique. Look, confident you, affordable, stylish yours. That's iconic. Like unlimited style, don't wait. It's calling your name. Ready to roll? Like, come on, dude, these things are pretty damn decent. But yeah, guys, that's basically how you write amazing copy, like for free in seconds with ChatGPT. But I hope you guys weren't expecting like some writing tutorial on like, oh my god, like eat keto for 2 days and then sit in a silent room with a pond and some lo-fi music playing in the background, and then you put some white music headphones on, and then you concentrate, and then you start journaling your copy. No, bro, just use ChatGPT. It's a lot more efficient, it's a lot more effective, it's a lot better, and it's a lot faster. And it actually works. I've done this, it actually works, guys. So give it a try. And if you have any questions about this, email me, comment, DM.